Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the fascinating world of data science. In today's video, we'll dive into the fundamentals of data science, its applications, and why it's such a crucial field in today's digital age. So, let's get started.
Introduction. To begin, let's understand what data science is all about. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, mathematics, computer science, and domain knowledge to analyze and interpret large volumes of data. It involves the extraction of meaningful insights and patterns from data to drive decision-making and solve complex problems. Importance of data science. The importance of data science cannot be overstated. With the exponential growth of data in today's digital age, organizations are looking for skilled professionals who can effectively analyze and leverage data to gain a competitive edge. Data science enables businesses to make informed decisions, improve operations, enhance customer experiences, and develop innovative products and services. Key components of data science. Data science comprises three key components: data collection, data exploration, and data modeling. The first step is to gather relevant data from various sources, such as databases, APIs, or web scraping. Once we have the data, we dive into its exploration, where we perform descriptive analysis, visualization, and hypothesis testing to gain insights. Finally, we use advanced modeling techniques, such as machine learning algorithms, to build predictive models and make future projections. Data science process. The data science process consists of several steps. It begins with defining the problem statement and understanding the available data. Next, we clean and pre-process the data, removing outliers, handling missing values, and transforming variables if necessary. Then comes the exploratory data analysis phase, where we visualize and summarize the data. After that, we move on to building models, evaluating their performance, and fine-tuning them. Finally, we interpret the results and communicate our findings effectively. Tools and technologies. Data science relies heavily on various tools and technologies. Python and R are popular programming languages used for data manipulation, analysis, and modeling. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn provide powerful functionalities for data handling and machine learning. Additionally, we have tools like Tableau and Power BI for data visualization, and SQL for database querying. Ethical considerations. Data science comes with ethical considerations that we must be aware of. It involves working with sensitive data, and ensuring privacy, security, and fairness are crucial. We need to handle data responsibly, be transparent in our methodologies, and avoid biases that may arise during data collection and analysis. Real-world applications. Let's explore some real-world applications of data science. It is used in finance for fraud detection and risk assessment, in healthcare for disease prediction and personalized medicine, in marketing for customer segmentation and targeted advertising, in transportation for route optimization, and in many other fields. The possibilities are vast, and data science is at the forefront of innovation. Conclusion. Today, we've just scratched the surface of data science. Throughout this course, we'll dive deeper into each component, explore various algorithms, and work on hands-on projects to solidify your understanding. Remember, data is the new oil, and data scientists are the ones who refine it into valuable insights.